Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a contact on the WhatsApp application. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. Of course, these steps will apply also for the WhatsApp web or the WhatsApp web application. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use the WhatsApp desktop application. So first thing first, you need just to go to the WhatsApp app and open, and here you will find any contact. So basically choose any contact that you want, and basically you will need just to select it, and basically this is a group. Let's just search for any account. You click on the account. This is also a group, and here we can choose an account, and basically on by clicking on account you will need just to go to the bottom of the bottom of the list or the options, and you will find an option or settings that is called block these contact or block these number. So basically, by clicking on block, you will need just to block and confirm your choice. And after that, you will have your contact that will be blocked successfully. So let's just block this account. And of course, as you can see, we can see that we have blocked this account. And of course, as I said previously, these steps can apply to the WhatsApp web, the WhatsApp web application, I mean desktop application, and also for the mobile app. You need just to select the account. You go down to the latest account setting, and you will find the block option. And basically, if you want to unblock this account, you will need just to click on unblock, and you will be able to message this account again. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.